Now coming over to the purchase module after the inventory module, now you can see that we're going to be going into the business terms now, and we're going to be selling and buying. So firstly, we're going to be buying a specific product, you could say. So now, for example, we add a new vendor. Now firstly, we're going to add a new vendor. We are going to add a company name. Now for example, we're going to add you could say HP PC. Then you're going to add the mail, so hppc@gmail.com. Then the TRN number for it. As it's a business, you can put the TRN. If it's an individual, you won't have that field. But as it's a business, you're going to put in the TRN number. If it's optional, you have to. If there's a TRN number for the business, you can put it in. If it's not, it's not. Now you can put in the number. So 971549678 Okay. Now for work phone, and all of these fields are optional. So for example, you don't want to enter the work phone mobile number, you can enter the name. So for example, H HPPC headquarters Dubai, Arcos, city Dubai, select Emirate Dubai, and country Dubai, and the PO box, for example 3. And now here you'd be able to select the payment terms and bank details. For example, what terms. So for example, you set the terms, and every purchase order, every invoice which is going to be created is going to be set according to this. Now for example, we put net 30. I'm going to put the bank name as ADCB, could say, the account number as a, and the IBAN as a, and accordingly the Swift code, and the branch as Dubai, you could say. And when you create the vendor gets created. Now either we can edit the vendor here to change any more details about the vendor. You can view the details of the vendor. Now here it's a big master data that you can see the recent activity of the vendor, the POs, the invoices of the specific vendor, the payments, the GRNs, the returns, and the credits. Now you can even see the total purchases made by this vendor, total purchases we have done from this vendor, total paid, total we have paid to this vendor, the outstanding we have to pay, the total POs of this vendor. Now you can see all the details of the vendor that we have imported. You can see here in the table as well. So for example, you can see the display name, the vendor type. So for example, business, it's not an individual, the phone, the email, the TRN, the total purchases that we've done to this specific vendor, the outstanding, the vendor owing us, and the payment terms. And this is pretty much it about the vendors page.